This Ford F-150 could cost you more to fix than it's worth, and millions of owners learned that the hard way. Since its introduction in 1975, the Ford F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for 46 consecutive years. But here's the truth most buyers don't realize. Not every F-150 generation is created equal. Some model years are reliable workhorses that last decades. Others become financial nightmares, plagued by spark plug failures, cam phaser issues, transmission replacements, and even frame rust that can cost more than the truck itself. Knowing which years to avoid can save you thousands of dollars and a massive headache. How long does an F-150 last? The lifespan of a Ford F-150 depends heavily on the model year and engine choice. A well-maintained F-150 can last an average of 232,650 miles before a major breakdown. Reliable generations such as 2009 to 2014 and 2019 to 2020 regularly exceed 200,000 to 250,000 miles. However, problematic years like 2004 to 2006 often fail before 100,000 miles, mainly due to severe engine defects. In this video, we'll break down which Ford F-150 years to avoid using recall data, owner complaints, and real-world repair costs, so you don't make a costly mistake. (2004 to 2006) Ford F-150. The 2004 model year is widely considered one of the worst F-150s ever produced, with over 2,400 NHTSA complaints and 16 recalls. These trucks suffered catastrophic issues with the 5.4-liter Triton V8, where spark plugs would snap off inside the cylinder head during removal. Repairs cost $300 to $600 per spark plug, or $1,200 to $1,500 for all 8. Cam phaser failures added another $2,000 to $5,500, while stretched timing chains caused internal engine damage. On top of that, owners reported fuel tank fire risks, windows falling into doors, accidental airbag deployments, and multiple safety defects. These years should be avoided entirely. (2010) Ford F-150. After a strong redesign in 2009, the 2010 model unexpectedly took a step backward, generating over 1,000 owner complaints. Frame and structural rust appeared within 5 years. Cargo beds corroded to the point of forming holes. The first-generation Myford touch system failed repeatedly. Rear-view cameras stopped working, and transmission failures occurred as early as 35,000 miles. Proper frame repair alone can exceed $5,000. 2013 Ford F-150. The 6-speed automatic transmission in 2013 models could suddenly downshift into first gear at highway speeds, a major safety risk. This led to accidents and a massive recall affecting 1.3 million vehicles. Ford issued a repair under Recall 19S07/Program 19N01, extending coverage to 10 years or 150,000 miles. If you're considering a 2013 model, confirm this recall has been completed. 2015 Ford F-150. The first year of the aluminum body brought innovation and problems. With 353 complaints and 13 recalls, owners reported doors opening while driving, brake master cylinder leaks causing brake failure, and paint adhesion problems on aluminum panels. Revolutionary design, but a flawed execution. (2016 to 2017 Ford F-150). These years introduced gateway module failures, disabling multiple systems at once. Repairs range from $1,500 to $7,000. Brake issues continued, 3.5-liter EcoBoost exhaust manifolds cracked, $2,000 to $2,500. And late 2017 models introduced the problematic 10-speed transmission. The 2016 model year is particularly expensive to repair. 2018 Ford F150. The worst modern F-150 year. The 5.0-liter V8 suffers from extreme oil consumption, up to 3 liters per 1,000 miles. The 10-speed transmission experienced CDF drum failure, costing $4,000 to $6,000. The 3.5-liter EcoBoost faced widespread cam phaser failures, costing up to $4,700. With 17 NHTSA recalls, the 2018 F-150 should be avoided, especially with the 5.0-liter V8, unless the engine was replaced under warranty. Which F-150 years have the most reliable reputation? The good news: Ford has produced many excellent F-150 generations that routinely exceed 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Here are the standout years worth pursuing. For maximum reliability at the best value, target a 2014 F-150 with the 5.0-liter V8, $15,000 to $25,000. Or seek a 2019 to 2020 with the 2.7-liter EcoBoost, $25,000 to $40,000. For modern features, 2021 to 2024 models with the 5.0-liter 5, 8, or 2.7-liter EcoBoost are solid choices. Before buying any used F-150, always verify recall completion, review maintenance records, listen for cam phaser rattle, inspect the frame for rust. Choose the right year with the right engine, and your F-150 will earn its reputation as America's best-selling truck for nearly 5 decades. You just watched Ford F-150 Years to Avoid on the Trucks Picks channel. Subscribe for smarter truck decisions before you buy.